Izimbombozi zenkulu zabekwa apha kwiminyaka elishumi yadlulayo kulungiselelwa uluntu lwalapha lufumane amanzi, kodwa zange bawufumana amanzi kwezimbombozi nangelanga elinye. Impompo zisomile nengxaki yamanzi saqatsele kule ngingqi.
We've got 10 years without water. We've got a pipe which the surrounding villages, we are using the same pipe, but they have water. But here in Maumong, we don't have water. And we report to Masipala, but they don't assist us.
Le ngingqi ityebile zizimbiwa, kodwa uluntu lwalapha luthi aluxhamli kwaphela kwimigodi yalapha.
Unemployment is a very disaster to us because each and every year there are students, they are graduating from the grade 12, then they are sitting here at home, whereby they found the others that were not working.
They didn't want to work with us. They don't want to bring better road, but they working, they making money.
Kunje inkampani zemigodi zibinze ngemali engange-40 million rand ukuncedisa urhulumente ukusombulula le ngxaki yamanzi.
We agreed one that the municipalities must make water immediately available, mobile temporary supply of water. But you would know that at Makolokwe, there are no boreholes underground. We have agreed that Rustenburg would immediately start to establish boreholes there.
Kukho ithemba lokuba le ngxaki iza kusonjululwa kungekudala.